DJT stock analysis and price predictions Wednesday. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. That's not like, I'm not just gonna say like necessarily I'm buying Wednesday, because that's not the case. With Trump media stock, all this thing is doing is just melting lower and lower every single day. Just keep lowering the price. Now, I wouldn't necessarily like do anything bullish unless I see a clean double break towards the upside, and that's only really gonna make sense, the most sense, if it starts giving me these breaks. Let me show you here. So if it starts giving me this double break, only then I'll continue and take it higher. Anything else, noise. And guess what? If this doesn't happen, then I'm not gonna take it higher. It's really that simple. Like sticking to, like doubling down and just sticking to a strategy, like it just really just following your rules, because I've stuck to it and it has given me thousands of correct predictions and I've documented everything, you know. So that's the way that I'm approaching DJT. If it just keeps going lower, obviously this is gonna get deleted. So not financial advice. See you in the next one. All reviews are 5 stars. Goodbye and enjoy.